Good morning and welcome to yet another edition of Mostly Motion. So today is the second Farm Jam of the season of 2022. I realize that there are some viewers who don't really understand or know what a Farm Jam is. So let's ask the Motion Squad what they think a Farm Jam consists of. By the way, this video is supported by Robert Co Racing. For your stickers and graphics kits, just give them a call and visit their website down below here, and you can order some awesome stuff from them and make your bike look next level amazing. Francois, explain what is Farm Jam?
Motocross. Ek weet nie wat, maar Farm Jam is lekker plat, vinnig, bietjie technical. Ons gaan vandag sien baie lekker modder. Dis my tweede ene. Hopelijk finish ek, geen popwiele nie, die moeses is in.
Goal for today?
Top 10.
Top 10.
Top 10.
Lekker boys.
All about excitement. Come and enjoy, see for yourself.
It's a hare scramble. It's everyone starts at the same time. It's fast, it's chaos, and it's usually very rocky.
What makes it different from, let's say, an enduro?
It's like a motocross style start, and it's a lot faster and less technical than a hard enduro.
Okay, so we're just a few minutes away from getting started for the race for today in our category. I'm entered into the S1 Novice class, and what happens is we start in a hare scramble type of start. So all of these bikes next to me, adjacent to me, about 35 bikes, they are going to start with me at the same time. Through corner one without a crash, which is not too bad. There's a lot of water there, which I didn't reckon on. Oh, big hole. Just go through it. Just make it through safely. That's my point here. That's the idea. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, let's go, boys! This is fun. Yeah. Ah, it's cool. I'm liking this. It's not technical this time around, but as far as I know, so I don't know how well I'll do, even if I have the energy to even finish the race. Yeah, I made a pass. Woohoo! What's happening here? It's exciting stuff. Whoops. This is fun, but it's draining. Yeah! Shit. Yeah, boys. Here we go, Jason. Respectful racing here with my buddy. Show him I'm here. Oh, that's a mouthful of dirt for me. Good to see you up, Jason. If you know Krillin from Dragon Ball Z, that's him. Yeah, buddy, we can do this faster. Sorry. Thank you. It's me down. Second time. Something is bent now. Handlebars. Something's bent. That's not good. That's not good. Bike feels so strange. Feels so strange. Oh, I can't ride like this. Crashed so many times now, 5 or 6 times. I'm really struggling to ride this bike. Why? Another crash. So many crashes. I think this is my most crashes up to date in a race. Oh, and my handlebars are even worse. But I'm learning how to ride with them. I'm so tired of crashing. I really hope this is the last lap. Can't keep this bike straight, especially in the mud. Here I am, so tired. This is lap 3 and I'm hoping the last lap, because we are done and mudded. It was hectic. It was such an intense race, but it was so much fun. I really don't know what footage I've got of the race because, well, I had about 15 crashes, and I think on the footage you would have seen by now that I bent my handlebars or something went wrong with the front wheel, and every single time I hit the mud bog, it just went down with me on top of it. So no major injuries. All of the boys in the motion squad did very well, and we had a blast of a time. If you haven't entered a farm jam yet, why not? It's insanely fun and it's definitely worth it. Pienaardam is probably one of my favorite venues. Lots of mud, to be honest. It was really muddy, but Mother Nature's going to do what Mother Nature's going to do. I had so much fun today. Thank you to the organizers of Farm Jam and everyone who participated. Nearly 300 bikes were here today. I'm not sure about the position. It really wasn't that great, but I think probably 12 in the S1 novice class with all the crashes and the cleaning goggles in the pits. I don't know how much mud was on the GoPro, and I don't know how they're going to identify the bikes to do a video on some of the other platforms that stream this as well. It's absolutely muddy. Let's have a look at these bikes. This is a 2022 Sherco 250 with 1 hour on before this race, and now it's very used. There's the Mostly Motion KTM 300 looking all skew and not too great, but so much fun to be had. I really hope I've got the dice with Jason on there, because that was the best fun I've had for today. So for now, thank you for watching Mostly Motion, and I'll see you in the next video.